Want to earn money without investment? Don't worry, I'm back with another step-by-step video so that I can teach you this method. So if you want to get good result, be sure to watch full video. If you really want to make some extra income from the comfort of your couch, you need to listen carefully and follow all the steps. If you stay till the end of the video, I will be giving some bonus tips to make the work easier. But before all of that, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I am posting video about making money online every single day. With all that being said, let's go towards the method. In order to get into this platform, you can click the first link of the description box or you can search in Google as CoinNotSignup. This is a crypto trade site where you can trade cryptos. This site will be providing us free Litecoin for single sign up. After all, click on sign up. You will be getting this interface where you have to enter email address, password and referral code. Be sure to use the code on the screen as a referral code. After you click on create an account, open the inbox of your Gmail to verify. Once you click on confirm, another link will automatically open and you will see the interface like this. Here you have to click on login. In order to log in, use your username or email and password. After you click on login, you will get this interface where you have to enter your phone number which must be valid. This process must be done in order to get free Litecoin. You will be getting the verification code on the phone number which you have entered. Enter the verification code and click on submit. You will be getting 0.001 Litecoin as a free bonus for phone number verification. Identity verification will provide more bonus. You can do this if you want to get more bonus, but it is not compulsory to do. I am not doing. You can do this if you want. Our login process is almost at the end. The compulsory steps are up to phone number verification. You can skip other if you don't like. After all login process, you will get this interface. In order to see your balance, you can go to wallet. You can see my balance is 0.001 which I have got through a simple sign up. You can deposit bitcoins over here and trade so that you can earn more amount of money. You can also see the current value of bitcoin and other cryptos by going in trade. You can earn free Litecoin by inviting your friend too. You will be getting 0.0012 Litecoin for free if your friend just do a phone number verification. Furthermore, if your friend does trade from this site, you will be getting 0.4 Litecoin for free. In order to invite your friend, you can just copy your referral link and paste over Facebook, Twitter, Reddit and other social sites. You can even see the payment proof which I have received yesterday from my original account. This is my original account which I have been using for a long time. You can see my balance in current account is 0.008 because I have withdrawn the amount yesterday. If you find this video useful, you can give a like, and if you want such more videos, you can subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment below if you have any questions.